You're losing customers every single day because your business isn't number one on Google. Let me show you why. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. And one of the most important aspects of having a strong online presence is ranking number one on Google search. But what exactly is SEO, and why is it so important for businesses to rank number one on Google? Let's find out. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. When someone searches for a product or service that your business offers, you want your website to appear at the top of the search results. Studies have shown that most people only click on the first few results, which is why being number one on Google is so crucial for businesses. Think about it, when was the last time you went to the second or third page of Google to find what you were looking for? Exactly, and that's why businesses are constantly competing to rank number one on Google. But how do you achieve that top spot on Google? It all comes down to having a strong SEO strategy. This includes optimizing your website with relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks to your site. But it's not just about ranking number one on Google. SEO also helps drive targeted traffic to your website, increasing your chances of converting visitors into customers. And the best part? SEO is a cost-effective way to market your business, as it brings in organic traffic without the need for paid advertising. Just imagine the potential growth and success your business can achieve by ranking number one on Google. So, if you're a business owner looking to increase your online visibility and attract more customers, investing in SEO is a no-brainer. Now that you know the importance of ranking number one on Google, it's time to take action and start optimizing your website for SEO. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.